California is the greatest place in the world because the people here are so special, so diverse, so caring, so family-based. I've lived here in California my whole life, and so that's why I love taking care of Californians. Like many of them, I grew up here. I really enjoy being here and being part of this community, and so it's important for me to give back. Here at Gomez Trial Attorneys, we help families get back on their feet. We take people at one of the most difficult times of their lives and we help them. And so that's super gratifying to me. I can't think of a better job.
It was a typical morning. I was running a work comp clinic. I had a meeting scheduled with a few other doctors. We decided to grab a cup of coffee. We all walked in, and the last thing I remember is noticing my foot slipping forward and seeing the ceiling. I don't recall much that day, and that changed my life and changed who I was. I do recall knowing something was wrong and knowing that I was not experiencing things around me like I should be. Everything was very surreal. Those initial months were very frightening. I ended up with a neurologist, and the neurologist realized that this was a serious condition I was experiencing, and I had to get to a firm who understood brain injury. And that's how I ended up with the Gomez Trial Attorneys. I felt a lot of relief and comfort once I met with the firm and met with John. He made me feel like he was there to fight, and I didn't need to fight anymore. He was going to do the fighting. I really can sit here and say, if it hadn't been for John and the firm, I probably would not be sitting here and saying this. I got justice. John got me justice.
A way that we can help people get through these times is let them know that they're not the first. And so we can talk to them about this process, and despite how things look now, that there is hope. And so providing hope is the most important thing that we can do for our clients. When the survivor of some personal injury or harm hires a lawyer, the most important thing to make sure of is that that lawyer is willing and able and actually does go to trial. Because the insurance company and the defense lawyer is going to have all that information when they analyze your case. And that's why it's important to hire a real trial lawyer, like what we have here. We're willing to go to battle for them, and when we do that, we win, and we win big.